Hey everyone! Today, I want to share my experience with my rotary sander. And why I chose it over an orbital sander for my deck restoration project. The stain on my deck started to peel off, and I needed to restore it. Initially, I considered getting an orbital sander, but I stumbled upon a rotary sander, which is more powerful. I'm so glad I chose the rotary sander instead. While working on the project, I realized I needed to use about 80% of the sander's power to get the job done. A 3-amp orbital sander wouldn't have been powerful enough. However, this 6-amp rotary sander made the job much easier, quicker, and less effort-intensive. For this project, I used Gator 5-inch random orbit hook and loop red resin aluminum oxide sanding discs, 8-hole, 120 grit, 50-pack. These discs worked very well and were versatile. The 120 grit sandpaper is perfect for general-purpose sanding. It balances efficiently removing material and providing a relatively smooth finish. Plus, the 50-pack offers the best value compared to smaller packages. The dust shroud that came with the sander works well, but it didn't fit my vacuum tube or adapter out of the box. With a small modification using a 1-inch plastic tube, a 1-inch barb, and some duct tape, I was able to connect the shroud to my vacuum. As you can see, it works very well. Rotary sander versus orbital sander. Let's quickly go over the key differences and uses of rotary and orbital sanders. Rotary sander. Motion, moves in a circular motion. Speed and power, generally more powerful and faster, making it suitable for heavy-duty tasks. Finish quality, can leave swirl marks if not used properly, not ideal for fine finishing. Use cases, best for removing large amounts of material quickly, such as paint, varnish, or wood. Suitable for shaping and leveling wood. Orbital sander. Motion, moves in small, circular orbits. Speed and power, less aggressive, offering more control. Finish quality, provides a smoother finish with minimal swirl marks, ideal for fine sanding. Use cases, suitable for finishing work, sanding between coats of paint or varnish, and prepping surfaces for painting. Choosing the right sander. Choosing the right sander. For heavy-duty jobs, rotary sanders are better suited for heavy material removal and shaping tasks. For fine finishing, orbital sanders are ideal for achieving a smooth, even finish on wood or other surfaces. However, using fine grit sandpaper on a rotary sander can also achieve good finishing results. Practical tips. When using a rotary sander, ensure to move it constantly to avoid creating deep marks. Conclusion. That's all for today. I hope this helps you understand the differences between rotary and orbital sanders and why the rotary sander was the best choice for my deck restoration project. Thanks for watching, and happy sanding.